Kami ha?
Terry, you wanna come down here?
Nakakasendos ka.
Kamusta ang Manila?
Oh, you guys were crazy down there.
Everyone, Terry Joe!
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Para po sa inyo kanagaan, Terry is one of the producers of the song Moonlight. Kaya po Terry! Kasi na yung office girl sa ano?
Oh yeah.
You already told your secret.
Yeah, I was doing some cheat codes on my wrist. Yeah, I was writing Mahaya. Mahaya ako sa hold on. Mahaya ako nandito ako.
Can you say, mahal po kayo 18?
Mahaya ko kayo 18.
Can you say, ang OA nyo naman? Ang OA nyo naman?
Yung naka-mic siya tapos nilala.
I'm here!
Ang OA nyo naman?
Ang OA niya naman!
Ayun pa tayo eh.
What's that mean?
Okay.
So how's your stay in the Philippines so far?
Yo, I gotta say, I really love this city. I really love Manila. You know, I tried to get Jolie B this morning, but I think it was too packed, so I couldn't get it. Yeah, but I think I met some of the 18s earlier today when I tried to get along to them. Yeah, and I feel the energy. Thank you guys for being so supportive. Thank you, 18.
So this is the $1 million question, Terry. What, contestant number 1, what is your favorite Filipino dish?
Damn. I gotta say, so I was trying. I didn't hear what you said, but I was trying the CC.
Sisig!
I was trying CC at lunch, and that was fire. That was fire.
Terry loves sisig. Sino marunong magluto ng sisig dito? Talaga? Kami gusto niyo magluto, tapos pag kayo lulutuan niyo si Terry. Kami inuutosan niyo mag-vlog, mag-tiktok, mag-live, tapos saan lulutuan niyo?
Yung mga nagtaas na mga i-review ko yung ano yung ano na to? Bakit nakasama ako sa package?
Alam niyo kanina pa tayo nag-uusap si Terry na kagano'n lang. But anyways, 18 wants to see you dancing Moonlight. Is it okay?
Yo, we're gonna do this again tonight.
Yes! They want to see you. Do you want to see Terry dancing Moonlight? Everybody shout Terry! 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 Terry!
Alright, let's do it!
Come on, 19! Shout Terry! Let's go! This is the time! Wala akong siya ngayon mag-uusap tayo. Sino ang marunong magluto ng sisig? Marunong ka magluto ng sisig? Bahala ka sa buhay. Oh, dahil pagluluto yun ng sisig, pakinggan niyo siya. Please welcome, Terry Jones!
Camila, you guys ready?